Hello guys, my name's Ivan Hernandez. I'm a Culinary Arts major student in Lackawanna College. I'm from Yabucoa, Puerto Rico, and I will be teaching you how to make a Lotus Blossom. First, I'm gonna grab my ingredients that I will be muddling. That would be the lime wedges, 3 lychee nuts, as well as 3 cubes of honeydew. Now I introduce the ingredients to my muddler friend. I will be adding ice now. Now I'll be adding 2 fluid ounces of stateside vodka, which we infuse with honeydew melon. We got 1 fluid ounce of sake. And with the elderflower liqueur, we will be using half a fluid ounce. We will be serving in a snifter, 1 cucumber slice to garnish. And this is how you do a Lotus Blossom bichotazo style.